In Cessnock, we're blessed with lots of area that could potentially accommodate landfill, but it's an absolute waste if we're sending materials to landfill that could be recovered, reprocessed or recycled. The facility is introduced as a milestone in our approach to waste management. It provides opportunity for us now to participate and certainly recover as much resource as we can, so we really are encouraging reuse, recycling, reprocessing and preservation of resource.
We've designed to take advantage of the hill so that patrons enter at the top of the hill and they can look down and see the rest of the facility laid out in front of them. You move through it and you're going past every opportunity to recycle and drop off material before you get to the end where your mixed waste is actually weighed.
When we started the initial design, the safety of both our operators and the customers was paramount. You find that there is hard stand surface, meaning we know what's underneath our feet rather than a progressive tip face. You've got separation of materials, not a combination.
I think from the benefit for the public is it's much cleaner down here. They don't have to walk through the mud and the dust. There's a shade over the top of the people. If it rains, they won't get wet. And there's no sun to worry about.
The facility also features separated traffic flows so that the trucks and the service vehicles don't mix with trailers and smaller vehicles.
The majority of the traffic comes down here to the push pit, which is behind me, and out at the actual landfill site the traffic is reduced greatly, and that makes it easier for us when we're on the heavy machinery because we've got less vehicles and less people to contend with, so it's a lot safer.
So the southern end of the facility is actually constructed over existing landfill. For our road construction, we had to implement a bridging layer over that. So that involved digging down a further metre below the road pavement levels, placing a rock bridging layer and then constructing the road pavement on top of that.
We've designed with the environment in mind. In particular, the facility provides for separation of clean stormwater from leachate, which is the dirty water that runs off waste. We've also taken into account dust and reduced opportunities for windblown dust to be created, and also windblown litter. That's an important feature of the facility.
Part of the challenge was to make sure that it remained operational throughout the build, and much to the credit of our own officers managing the project and to the contractor, we're able to provide that all the way through.
We'd like to extend a big thank you to members of the community who use the facility and also the operational staff for working with us during this process. We strongly believe that we've achieved a much safer facility for the users and it'd be a great improvement to resource recovery here.